What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with a special soda can RC car for you. Here it is. Bam. What's going on, buddy? Son's on the floor crawling around like, what am I doing? So this is the smallest by far that I have. So you're supposed to be able to hook this up to your phone to get 3 different speeds and different features, but it also comes with a dock as a controller. So without further ado, let's open this up. You got a set of cones in here that you can pull out. Pretty nifty. Set that there, set the cones up. We're gonna get some racing going on here. There's the can with some instructions. Plug it and file it. And here it is. This is what it looks like. It's really light. So you're supposed to, how do I release this from here? It's supposed to just be able to slide it, I believe. Yeah, just slide it like that. There you go. Okay. Put it on to charge it. There's a wire somewhere. There it is. There's a wire that you pull out to hook up to the car to charge the car from the controller. Just pull that wire out, hook it to the bottom of the car. And you just put regular batteries in here. We'll turn this bad boy on. And we'll move these little pieces of stickers out of the way. We'll turn this bad boy on and let's see. Okay, the wheels are turning. There it goes. Let's test it out. Let's see. So I don't really have a good driving surface, but it's pretty cool. You get the point? It burns rubber. So you're supposed to have 3 different settings on the phone with some extra features, so I'm going to check that out. But we'll show you that another time. It's pretty cool. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you the new haul, the new little bitty RC car. There it is. Here's the car. Pretty cool.